To add a Cash App card to Afterpay, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have both the Cash App and Afterpay accounts set up and that your Cash App card is active. Begin by opening the Afterpay app and navigating to the Payment Methods section. This is usually found in the Settings or Account area. Look for the option to add a new payment method and select it. You will then be prompted to choose the type of card you want to add, which in this case is a debit or credit card. Since the Cash App card functions like a debit card, you can select this option. Next, you will need to enter the details of your Cash App card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number can be found in the Cash App, under the card settings. The expiration date and security code can also be found in the same area. After entering the card details, you may be asked to confirm the card by making a small transaction. This is a standard security measure to ensure the card is valid and belongs to you. Once the card is confirmed, it will be added to your Afterpay account as a payment method. You can then use it to make purchases through Afterpay. It is essential to note that Afterpay may have certain requirements or restrictions for using a Cash App card, such as limits on the amount you can spend. Be sure to review these before making a purchase. Additionally, keep in mind that using a Cash App card with Afterpay may incur fees, such as interest or late payment fees if you do not pay your Afterpay bill on time. By following these steps, you can successfully add your Cash App card to Afterpay and start making purchases using this payment method. Always review the terms and conditions of both Cash App and Afterpay to ensure you understand any potential fees or restrictions.